I guess this is officially day one. How you want to be on camera?
No.
Okay. I guess this is officially day one of a 14-day adventure. So there's a lot of stuff here, but keep in mind that most of this is coming off when I get to the trailer. We're trailering the GS out to Colorado. Oh, hi. We're going to Colorado. Most of this stuff will come off and stay in the trailer. It's like my to and from gear, you know, comfortable clothes, technology stuff, camera stuff will go with me on Colorado, but it will go with me to Colorado. Well, I know it sucks starting videos like this where we're on the interstates. I am heading down to Neil's place. We're going to load the bikes up and head west. I've never driven west of Chicago, so I've been as far east as Vegas and Reno from San Francisco, but I've never been as far west from the East Coast in Chicago. So that's a whole new experience for me. The way this vlog is going to go is that I'm going to make it into daily videos. I'll do one vlog starting now out to Colorado. There's no riding, it'll just be like scenery. And then I'll do a vlog always coming back. So the first 3 days and the last 3 days will be one video, and then we'll do like 7 days in the middle. How about that? Yeah, this is boring though, so I'm gonna play some music and just hang out. All right, here's the family truckster. He's got a whole bunch of upgrades, brand new tires, new leaf springs were added, new spare tire, whole bunch of bearing work, suspension work, brake work, frame work. It's our where we're living the next 2 weeks. Got the chocks ready. So here's everything I'm living out of for the next 2 weeks. And then we got 2 bikes, and there's this fat pig, and then there's that. Well, I've got the fat pig. You got the light goat.
I got the light goat.
Still robust, but can go up a mountain.
Yeah, mountain goat. Right.
Yeah, it's the mountain goat. Yep.
Oh, I'm looking at myself.
Here goes. Oh, hold on. Should I move this guy? I should probably come back and move it over closer to me, right?
Well, you pop it right in the truck.
Okay. Well, let me go over there. Here we go.
All right.
All right. There's the setup. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to read this.
It's all part of the story.
Locate the vehicle's low side service port. This
Okay.
port will...
Or recharging the AC. The shitty part is that he actually had them replace his condenser and replace a bunch of the AC lines because it was leaking, and they did it, and then 3 days later it's not cold again. And you said you wanted 45?
Yeah. While it's running. So that's what he needed to kick that off.
Wow.
I was at 0.
Yeah. All right, we're going to a taco factory, and we also have cold air coming out of the thing, thanks to the $40 fix, which will get us what, three or 4 days?
I don't know what to tell you.
we placed some bets. I'm thinking by Monday afternoon it's going to be hot again. It's Saturday now. There he goes.
All right, I'm in your plastic Dodge.
You're in Jersey now.
Is this open? Oh, okay, thanks. Oh, they're just up there hacking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we see, what do they mean? So we look and we see this brown swimming pool. I'm like, honey, that's a nickname for a fucked up swimming pool. It's a koi pool. Goes, oh, So when we went to look at the house and the lady goes, "Oh, we have a little koi pond over here," I was like, "Oh, you're not shitting."
At a friend's house of Neil's, a childhood friend. We're somewhere in Knowlton, New Jersey, or PA. I think we're in Jersey, Columbia, New Jersey, where we are. Beautiful tree, huh? And we're parking the trailer. Stopped and grabbed some Miller High Life and a bottle of bourbon. I needed bourbon for my bike anyway, so, because as you all know, BMWs only take premium scotch for fuel substitute. Doing a damn good job at it too. Yeah, so beer tonight. We'll get up ass early tomorrow and head out. We got tomorrow's our big day. The aim tomorrow is gonna be like 14 hours. I think tomorrow night we want to be in Indianapolis. I think that's the goal. Yeah, long day. Oh, and I probably won't record much tonight just because privacy. I don't want to, you know, just record their dinner and stuff. So keeping that in mind. All right, time to check my my ability to tie down bikes. Hey, they're still here. Look at that. Didn't move. Sweet. Totally know what that is.
Oh, dude, where did you get that? That's a Mongolese python.
It's definitely just like a dog.
It's almost a curse.
It's crazy.
Good stretch. We're in PA at a Love's gas station. Good fuel. Okay, 21-gallon tank, right?
It'll probably take 15. Here we are, 3NH to Utah. Coming up at the fancy Ashland, Ohio, I believe.
It's fancy, all right. They got a VP.
They got a VP, British Petroleum.
They got a Motel 6.
Motel 6.
Ashland is a place to be.
Ashland is a hot spot. There's a university here. Oh yeah. Let's tuck it there. Can I get around?
Oh, there's like the dumpster over there. It's got a parking. This is the 2018 best places to work. We should just, you know, we should live out of your trailer and just work here for a few months.
I think we'll do that.
Sorry, can you sit?
No, thank you. Yes, medium. Coke as well.
Your name?
Neil.
Yeah.
He's driving straight out, liquored up.
That's freaking amazing.
Exit only.
Beer and wine at State.
So if you go in the wrong direction, they know you're drunk.
Alright, so now we're in Indiana.
Hey.
How's it going, boss? All right.
They're letting anyone in here these days.
What's that?
They're letting anyone in here these days.
Yeah, right. In here.
Did you buy some antiques?
They do. They let you park in here.
Did you get some antiques?
No, I didn't. I went shopping, but
Oh.
no. Decision here. I think it's
Big. Five o'clock.
Some sunset for you, Adam. Little Midwest flatlands.
I'm sorry in advance. Heather and I do this all the time, but when you said reasonable prices, I was thinking, imagine how cheap the sushi is. I'm over it. I just. Well, it's 6:50 in the morning. Harry's packing up the Weber.
RV park.
Yeah. Yeah, if I had a house, I definitely would want the trees around the house.
So I have a feeling like
I can't discount, these are obviously the
Yeah,
state.
it's a state.
You can't really do that, but. Please don't wash my window. Please don't wash my window. I don't have any cash. All right, we're somewhere in Illinois. 980 is from Sargent, by the way. We're doing Sargent, Colorado as our destination, but we won't get there today, obviously. So we're filled up with gas again. We're got about 200 miles to the tank. So we're burning, you guys do the math, we're doing 200 miles for every 18 gallons.
Right. Axles feel good. Spindles feel
What are you
good.
doing rubbing my axle for?
Here we are, our fearless driver, covering the fearless Mississippi River, crossing into Missouri. Here we are.
It's a big river.
Yeah, I think we're on the north side.
Oh yeah, there's Missouri.
Yeah, here's into Missouri. There we go.
Terry, should we wave?
What's this freaking shitty European bike doing here?
Austria. Geolog, Kansas City.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, it's more sprawling.
Do you see the sign in the bathroom?
No.
I went in the ladies' room. Do not, under any circumstances, flush anything in this toilet, not even toilet paper or feminine.
Waffles and Wi-Fi. Son of a bitch, we gotta go.
Wi-Fi, that's a great place to go. Carbs and porn.
This guy.
Ready? It's gone. Gone, ready.
Yeah, those were babies as well. There was some nursing. Yeah.
So I don't know if
They don't grow soy boys out here.
Oh, is this a... See, there's no... Yeah, if that's the same type of stuff...
Yeah.
The machine would have come on, and then that's just being moving over 100 and something miles an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, the outside of them, yeah. Sorry for the wind. We are past the halfway point. I think I said Coke. We're past the halfway point in Kansas. So we're closer to Colorado than we are Missouri. And I'm going to take a picture of this badass sign. We are stopping tonight at the hotel on the Kansas and Colorado border in Goodland, Kansas. Ooh, this grass is so dry. It just wants to catch fire. It's supposedly 96 degrees, but you can't really tell it. It doesn't feel like 96 degrees. Free drinks. Holy shit, free drinks. Gotta stop here. Look at this, like, this style we got going on here. Story of my life. So I just realized this haze that's we've been in for the last hour. I thought I was gonna get some drone footage of the Rocky Mountains far off in the distance, but in fact I can't because this haze. And I'm like, is it always so overcast in Kansas? I thought it was gonna be like nice and sunny, but it turns out, if you look at the NOAA fire map, the smoke map, it's a national smoke map updated every day. It shows you where all the fires are in the U.S. and it shows you the radius of the smoke. And 100 miles into Kansas, all the Denver fires are sending their smoke over this way. So we are just looking up at all the smoke from the Colorado fires that are going on right now. I knew it was a fire because that sun looks just depressingly hazy. So wear your mask. There's the KOA I was going to book for more than the hotel costs. Well, this is Goodland, Kansas. Goodland? Goodland, I don't know. You can see here the sky is pretty hazy because we had some fires in Colorado that were kind of making their way over this direction. Had some food. Had a hotel room with 3 beds, which is awesome because when we do hotels as a 3-person group, someone's always on the floor. We don't subscribe to the small spoon methodology. But this is pretty much it. You're looking at the whole city limits of this little tiny town at the very edge of Kansas and Denver. Or sorry, Colorado.
What did I have last night? You had brisket. That's right. And I had a turkey sandwich of their special.